Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to track HubSpot from for Google Analytics and Google Ads conversion tracking. I have a data layer code for HubSpot from tracking. I have two data layer code. First one is this and this. I will provide those code in video description. I just copy the first one data layer code and I go to the Google Tag Manager. Need to select a new tag and select the custom HTML tag and I just paste it the script code for data layer. I copy the name from here and paste it and select the all page trigger. Save it and now I go to preview mode. Let's check how it's proceed. The tag manager is connecting. Yeah, great. It's connected successfully. The window load event is come in tag assistant. So in this page have a HubSpot from this one. You can see the HubSpot logo. And if I inspect it, we can see that it's a HubSpot. It's just from. Great. Now I just do a test submit. Test, and submit it. It successfully submit and the thank you message is outcome. And the HubSpot from submit event is come in Google Tag Assistant. That means the data layer is pushed successfully. If I check the API call and the data layer, then I can see the event name is HubSpot from submit, and I can see the from ID and the from information, like from field information, email address, first name, last name, company, job title, which was the from field. So track this for Google Analytics. Need to go Google Tag Manager. Have to create a new trigger. I just select the trigger and making a new trigger. Select the new trigger and select the custom events. Ensure that you need to follow the custom events name. Copy and put the paste here. I just name it and save it. Name it HubSpot from submit trigger. And I need to make a trigger for Google Analytics. I put the measurement ID here, which I have. This is the measurement ID, and I put the name generate lead because Google Analytics recommended the generate lead for lead track from tracking. I select the trigger HubSpot from submit trigger and just name it GA4 event lead and save it. And let's check how it's proceed and how it's work. If I open the Google Analytics to checking, the tag assistant is connected successfully. I again test it. 1, 2, 3, test, okay, and test. Okay, the prompt is submit successfully. The event is come in Google Tag Assistant, and the GA4 lead event is fired successfully. The status is success. If I check on Google Analytics, need have to go the admin, and they have go to debug view, and here the generate lead is come. That means our tracking is successfully work. If you want to track HubSpot from, you can follow this, proceed. And thanks for watching this video.